Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Triumph Street Triple R 675 cc's. Beautiful condition, only 12,000 miles, 3-cylinder fuel injection, ABS brakes. This thing is a beast. Gorgeous condition. It's got the bar end mirrors. Come on by and make your hyper naked dreams come true. This gorgeous street triple, only $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.